Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Officer channel. In this video tutorial, I will take you how to make a freeze loops animation by using Canva. As you can see here in my video is already showing on the screen that it's completely very free and used forever. So now let's get started. First, you go to the canva.com that now gonna see canva.com like this, and you will see on the front page of the canvas here. And the next we're gonna choose the template that you really want to do. So now go to the template here and choose the YouTube channel art here. So now go ahead and click that, and on this page you're gonna see create blank YouTube channel art. So now let's get started. It will take you to open a news page like this, and you need to sign in with all of these things. So now the first step we're gonna do is click on the worksheet here and change the color that you really want to do. So now for the first of this image, so we're gonna add the color to the background. For example, now I'm gonna use the black color here, and then we're gonna find the moon to the background. So go ahead and find the moon here. Okay, now go to element here and find the moon again. Okay, so not yet, show more here. Okay, now go to element, go to element and find the moon here. So now we're gonna go to the moons, just click and find that, and in this place you will see the moon, that a lot of moon is coming like this. And now you're gonna drag it like this. It simply drag it to like this, and place anywhere that you want to put the moon inside the background. And the next is we're gonna find the stars. So click the star and find it, and you can also use the animation style like this, but I'm not recommend because it is depending on you. So now I'm gonna make it to be fit on the screen like this. It should be fit on the screen. And now we go to a position to put the star into the background. So forward to back here, and we see the moon is appearing in front, and the star is appearing to the background. And now we have one background picture now. And the step number 2 is we're gonna find we're gonna do some views like the rivers or the forest. So go ahead and click on add one more page, and this place we're gonna add its color to should be white. And then we go to find the forest. Go ahead and find the word forest, and you will see a lot of forests appearing like here, like this. For example, now I'm gonna use this, and now we're gonna find the one more image that's called bus here, and I use this one. So now go ahead and click this, and go to duplicate here, click on duplicate, and to make it a copy more. Okay, and now we'll duplicate again, and you will see that something that look like a real grass like this. And the next step we're gonna find the tree. So go ahead and find trees, or you can search all in this place here and go to graphics, and you will see a lot of trees appearing like this. So you're gonna put it like this. For example, now I'm gonna use this one here, and the one is on this place, and and I go to all because sometimes we did all different trees to use inside. So now scroll down and find the tree that you really want to do, or you can find the forest if you can see the tree. So go to forest like this. And you will see a lot of trees should be in this place now. And okay, now we're gonna use some of them. And it should be one more tree here, just stay inside. So now it is going to in front, but you can click on that and go to position, and then click to back, and this one also go to position and click to back, and this one also. If you keep it in front, it is depending on you. If you like it to be in front, you can you do not to do that. So now I like it to be on the back of the grass, so I hope to do it, and behind, so it should be like this. And now we have a tree, grass, and everything. But the other thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna find the rivers or waters to. And you can also even use the free version of this thing. For example, this one here. Now we're gonna stick it name Lakes background illustration. Free. Its name here. So it's completely free because it is not a pro version like this. So you still can use that with a free version. So now we'll drag it to this place. Okay, now go to zoom in like this and make sure that you have put it properly to this place. It looks like it's still like a border. And now we're gonna remove some pro version here, and now go see forest again. Okay, now this one we're gonna use this just behind the image, and you should duplicate this one also to make it to be on this place, the missing place. And now we have the waters and the tree. It already is appearing like this. So it is a lot of free here. So you still can do with a free version of Canva. Put it in front just like this. So go ahead and find the rivers or the water. So go to graphic here and find the rivers or water here. Here is the water here. So you can increase the size with that. So now we're gonna click on this place, and you will see that something that look like a real, but you have a watermark. But don't worry about it. You can paint it by going to the Canvas Pro if you want. But this is an example tutorial for you. So now we have two images. Just one is the background of this image, and the other is the forest and the water just inside it. And the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna create a one more layers image. So go ahead and select the colors. This one it should be on the greens because we have an animation looped just inside that. So go ahead and click on boat here and find the boat that completely an animation like this. Okay. And now we have a boat here that is it looks like it is running now. Now the final step is The final step is we're gonna download all of these freeze part. So we have 3 images now. So go ahead and click on download here, and make sure that you choose the number of pic that you really want to download by ticking like this. And you make sure that you choose the right files. For example, you can download it one by one. For example, now I'm going to use this one to be JPEG. So it is the page 1. So now, and we go to select page. So you need to make sure that you choose only this one and download it to the JPEG 1. So now go ahead and click like this, and it waiting for a few seconds to download, and now you already download this one. And the next step is we go to download the page 2. So make sure that you select it to be a PNG file, because it is a kind of transparent background. Just we need to put the star and the moon's background just inside it. So you need to download it to a PNG and transparent background here. So click on transparent for the full version, but it is now in a free version, we cannot click that. And now go to page 2 and select PNG, and now okay, save download. Okay, it can download now. So sorry. Plan download traps. Okay, download the traps now. So select on the page 2 here. Now done, and download the traps. Okay, it's sorry, I have choose wrong. It is the ships. So make sure that you download it to the PNG file. So reselect it again. Now go to the PNG files and select the page that you really want to download, for example. And then now I'm gonna download page 2 as a zip file, as a PNG file. So click on download as strap for the free version. And now we have a free version as a strap here. And the next we're gonna download this one as an MP4. So go ahead and select this and choose the page 3 and select it to the MP4 high quality video here, and then start to click download just like this. Okay, and some of them are free and some need a pro version to do that. So make sure that you have make sure that you have something that look like have no watermark inside like this, and you will completely download it free like this and no watermark. So this is I have already downloaded. Now let's check it out here. So now I have this video now. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope you guys understand and share. For more help, please leave a comment below in the description. So thank you.